10 Best Books for Kids. Age 10 to 16. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Written by Lewis Carroll. Country, England. Publication year 1865. A young girl enters a magical world filled with strange characters and adventures. Anne of Green Gables. Written by Lucy Maud Montgomery. Country, Canada. Publication year 1908. An imaginative orphan girl changes the lives of everyone in her new home. The Hobbit. Written by J.R.R. Tolkien. Country, United Kingdom. Publication year 1937. Bilbo Baggins embarks on a dangerous adventure to reclaim a lost treasure. The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Written by C.S. Lewis. Country, United Kingdom. Publication year 1950. Four children discover the magical land of Narnia and battle evil forces. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Written by Roald Dahl. Country, United Kingdom. Publication year 1964. A poor boy wins a tour through a mysterious and magical chocolate factory. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Written by J.K. Rowling. Country, United Kingdom. Publication year 1997. A young wizard discovers his destiny at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Percy Jackson and the Olympians, The Lightning Thief. Written by Riordan. Country, United States. Publication year 2005. A teenager learns he is the son of a Greek god and begins a heroic quest. Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Written by Jeff Kinney. Country, United States. Publication year 2007. A funny diary about school life, friendships, and teenage struggles. The Hunger Games. Written by Suzanne Collins. Country, United States. Publication year 2008. Teenagers are forced to compete in a deadly survival contest, controlled by a powerful government. Wonder. Written by R.J. Palacio. Country, United States. Publication year 2012. A boy with facial differences inspires kindness, empathy, and courage.